Hello, welcome. Today we're going to continue with jupeb 2015 biology past question. Question 9. Breathing movement in mammals is accompanied by regular movement of the diaphragm and the A. Intercostal muscles, B. Vertebral column, C. Clavicle, D. Pleural cavity. Now the correct answer here is A. Intercostal muscles. Now the function of this intercostal muscle is to expand and shrink the size of the chest cavity, while the vertebral column here is also regarded as the backbone. Clavicle here is also known as collarbone. Really don't have anything to do with breathing. Now the pleural cavity here acts as a lubricant to prevent friction. So hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you.